Okay. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a room tour, UMass Amherst Southwest Z Room Edition. When I went to the University of Memphis, I look back and I wish I took more videos and vlogs when I was there. So I wanted to do this video so when I graduate next week, I can look back and just reminisce. When I came into this room, I said this is my last year. I'm not about to be paying just to decorate this room. So I did with what I got. A lot of what you see now is stuff that I've had from over the years. Now it's coming to an end and I have to move all this stuff back out, which is so annoying. Please like, share the video, comment, subscribe. Okay, if I sing subscribe really good, would y'all subscribe? All right, let's try this, right? Got 2 racks for towels. The front side of the room, back side of the room, I'll show y'all in a bit. Futon that I have. I just put this duvet cover over it from Bed Bath & Beyond. Got some nice fluffy pillows, Bed Bath & Beyond, love it. New York City poster. This poster has been through hell and back. It falls every time. I've just gotten frustrated with it at this point and now it's all crumbly. And when I bought this poster, I had no idea. I actually stood out in this area twice. So the first time I went, I stood like in a hotel somewhere here. And then the second time I went, I stood in a hotel further down and I got to see the Statue of Liberty, which is pretty lit. But I love this poster. Love New York. On this side, we have the mirror and I have 2 vanity lights that I made myself. And I need to get more light bulbs. So I got this from Amazon, bought the lights separately. Then I attached the extension cord to it. I made a whole vanity by myself. Then I got my shoe rack with all my shoes, keep that in the front. Then I got these little knickknacks here. Everybody loves this. This is my piggy bank and it's actually a real pig and I actually have money in it. And this is one of my favorites too. I'm a singer, if y'all didn't know. But it's the aesthetic, you feel me? Like, what? The glasses? Okay. This came with the room. Has 3 drawers. This didn't come with the room. Then over here on this side, I have my 2 closets that I covered with these. I'm not gonna show y'all all inside because that's too much, but the closets are pretty big and I have a lot of clothes. So I have a Z room, which means since I'm a RA, I have this all to myself. But usually in Z rooms, when there's 2 people, there's 1 person living in the front, 1 person living in the back. This rod and this curtain here, just to kind of have a little bit of a separation between kind of like the living room area and my bedroom area. So I just put this, and then this is my room. Oh, this is the view from my room during the daytime when the sun sets and rises. The skyline is so beautiful back there. These people just walking. Dang, there's hella heads outside. I put a rug here. I have this chair. The chair came with the room. Love this cover. It's little pineapples. Isn't it so cute? And I got this anchor pillow. And then I put these blue lights because this is a vibe. This is a whole vibe. I got these lights from Amazon. And check this. Look at this whole extra bed right here. It's like the softest. It's the softest thing ever. Because this one here is too hard. Look how thick it is. Love it. I sleep like a baby. I got my little pineapple cup. Shout out to Hawaiian boy John John. That's from his graduation of high school. And I'm about to graduate college and I still have that cup. But it matches my pillowcase. I used to have decorations for winter that said like let it snow and like a little stocking, but it's not winter anymore, so I took it down. But I still have my family pictures. Me and my dad, me and my dad, me and my sister and my nieces. Oh, I love them, my babies. We took this at the Biggie. You know, but yeah, we took this at the Biggie. You know you didn't have a good Biggie experience if you didn't take the famous big comfy chair picture. Then I have my snow globe. Got this from the Bronx Zoo. I literally got this like in middle school when I went on a field trip to the Bronx Zoo. And I still have it. Y'all could tell this is old because look at this. The sand. When I went on a cruise, was it to the Bahamas or Bermuda? I think this is when we went to Bermuda. Because I took a different cruise line when I went to Bahamas. I got this starfish. I think I got this from the Bahamas or Bermuda, wherever. Young Shay Rose on the track. Got this cute ass picture of me. I got this earring, whichever one of my friends left the earring, come get it. And some more pictures of my nieces. We're here. I don't like how this looks, but this is as organized. I have my chair, my desk, my TV I put up here. Extra lighting. Then I have this cup from 2015 when I graduated high school. I got this flag because I want to go to Greece. All my electronic stuff. Every time someone comes into my room, they have to mention the Wii. Yes, I still have a Wii. I never threw it out, and I might as well. I don't know, I just took it with me to college. I don't use it. Somebody wants a Wii, hit me up. Here, I just have like perfume. I have so much stuff, it's not even funny. I have all my makeup stuff, makeup bag, my James Charles palette. Ooh. And then I use these two for makeup brushes. This mirror is so dirty. Then I have, let me fix this. Even though I'm mad at my mom right now, me and my best friend, when we went to Miami, me and my mom, when we went to Ruth's Chris, and she visited me in Memphis. And then me and my mom and my dad, but they're divorced now, but I found this picture, and I still kept it. And over here, I just keep, like, my little passes from concerts. I have more. But I got this idea from my professor, and he had like a huge stack of them. I'm like, wow, I'm gonna start saving all of mine. I have my little mini fridge. I have this big ass pack of ramen noodles that I have not eaten. And I got that probably last semester. But I don't want to waste food. I have like more utensils and stuff. Cleaning supplies. And I have my little darts. I'm pretty nice. Watch this, ready? Ooh. I mean, this is just for show. I got this years ago and I needed stuff on my walls. And then this is the curtain to the other side. But I hope you guys got some cool ideas for when you guys move in. It's the most practical for me. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and please give me feedback on more videos. But subscribe. Because when you subscribe, it gives me a warm tingle in my heart. See y'all next time. Alright, I'm out.